be sounding very much excited about this video by my voice, because I am very much excited. So as you guys already know by the title that this is going to be a Myntra haul, so without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, the first item I've got is a very basic black t-shirt with a graphic detailing of Wonder Woman going on it, and this is from the brand called Cook and Keek, and this is from the special edition, the Justice League collection. Okay, so the sleeves are of the very optimum length, like it goes around here, and the length, it's not a crop top, it's a regular top, so it goes around the region where your waist ends, and it's a very nice material. I think it's cotton with some spandex going on it, and the size I'm wearing is in the size small. This is in the size small. I'll insert a picture over here so you could see how this looks in. Okay, moving on to the next item is another t-shirt, and this is again from the brand called Cook and Keek, and this is in the size I got this in the size medium, and it says warrior, and it has a very nice print of, I don't know what is made on it, like it's the Wonder Woman symbol is made on it, and it is printed from the front and it is plain from the back. Okay, so the sleeves, and it also has a pipe-in detail given on the sleeves. No such detail is given on the bottom, but this is a very nice comfy t-shirt to lounge in or to wear just for purpose. But the length of this t-shirt is slightly bit longer than the one I showed you before. So this is basically, it goes around the thigh region of your legs, like it is a slight bit longer than usual, but it again looks super pretty and super comfy. The material is again cotton, and this feels super soft and very usable to wear. Like Cook and Keek t-shirts are my favorite. Like I've been wearing their crop tops for a very long time, I guess, and they are my favorite. Like legit, they are so soft, like super soft and very wearable. Okay, the next top I'm gonna talk about is the one I'm wearing, and it has something written over it. I don't know what it is written, but it has something written over it, and this is a very nice boxy look kind of t-shirt. The sleeves are a bit long, like it comes over here, and this looks quite pretty and very, it's very comfortable to wear. The material is again cotton. This is again from the brand called Cook and Keek, and the size I'm wearing is medium. So I think why all of my t-shirts are from Cook and Keek, I don't know, but I supremely love these because these are very comfortable to wear. Okay, the next item I've got is a jeans, and Sassafras, and the size I'm wearing is medium. Okay, so this is size I got is medium. I have worn this once or twice, so this is just a baggy paper bag effect going on at the waistband, and this is a bit loose on me because if you put something bulky in your pocket, it just slides a bit down, so you could even get yourself a size smaller if you wish to, because these would fit you anyways because of the elastic detailing that is going over here. So I'm gonna insert a picture of these so you could see how these look on me. Okay, moving on to the fifth item that I got is again a black. Like why all my clothes are black, man? I'm obsessed with black. Yeah. Okay, so this is again a shirt, you could say an off-shoulder shirt, and this somewhat looks like this. It has these straps given for you to support on your shoulder. You could even just slip these in and wear it as a complete off-shoulder shirt. So, and the best part about these is the sleeves. Like this is slightly, don't know what do we call these sleeves. So it comes like this portion, the way you tie it up here, it fluffs up to the top part. So this looks quite pretty, and this is from the brand called Harpa. I am in the size small. So that was all what I got for the top section. Actually, I have ordered some more items from Myntra, but They are yet to come to me. They are not yet delivered, so you could expect a Myntra part 2 haul super soon. Okay, so now coming, as Diwali is coming, so festive season requires some festive clothing like some ethnic. So the next thing that I have shopped is some ethnic wear. So the first item which I have shopped for is this kurta. This is a very long kurta, and firstly let me tell you the brand. So this is from the brand known as, what brand is this? This is from the brand known as Vishud, and I am in the size small. Okay, yeah. So this is a very pretty burgundy color kurta, I guess. Yeah, so see, this is a very pretty burgundy color kurta with a Chinese collar, and it has this button detailing going on here till the waist, and then this has a slit over it, and the sleeves are very beautiful. Like, I'm gonna show you, like, the sleeves, these are very pretty. Like, the sleeves, they fit this snug, I would say they snug over the hand really well, and this portion, it has a gold foil detailing over here, on the part, like till here until here, and it snugs it very nicely. So this looks super good. So this is some kind of gold detailing that is going on here, and also the best part is this has a slit, so you could wear them with skirts and wide leg plazos. This would go really nicely. Okay, so at the bottom, the same gold foil detailing. The next item I have got is again a kurta, and this is from a brand known as Sarah, and this is again, I'm again in the size small. So this is a very bright yellowish colored kurta that looks supremely nice, and this again has some kind of foil detailing going on over, and this has a keyhole loop in the front that looks again very pretty. And the sleeves are, the best part of these are again sleeves, like, see, so it has got a elasticated band over here जिसको आप tie कर सकते हो, और जब आप इसको tie करोगे, so it would just cinch like this, and you will get a very balloonish kind of sleeves that looks super pretty when you wear something like a kurta, very basic kurta. You could again pair these with golden leggings or a golden plazo or anything. And also it has a very plain back, the same print is going on all over the back, but the color of this looks supremely nice, you could see. Okay, moving on to the next item. The next item I've got is again a kurta set, and this is from a brand known as, what brand? AKS, Ux, or AKS, what you will call it, and this is in the size large. I got these for my mom, and this is how it looks like. So this again has a Chinese collar with a button detailing going over from the neck till the waist, like this. It again has this golden foil print going on it all over the kurta. So the front and back looks the same. See, it looks something like this. Showing you from the back. See, the best part about this kurta, it also has a piping given on the sleeves, at the end of the sleeve. And the best part of this kurta set, and this comes with a plazo or a straight leg pant. No, this is a kind of plazo, or somewhere between plazo and a straight leg pant, but more like a pant. So the best part of this kurta set was these pants. Look at the foil print and look at how beautiful it is looking. These look supremely beautiful when you wear them. Like, it has an elasticated waistband, so you could just snug you well at the right places, and this looks super amazing on my mom. So I'm gonna insert a video or a picture over here so you could see how this looks on my mom. So this is my favorite, like, yo man, this is super pretty. The plazo has my heart, like, sorry, not the plazo, the pants. These have my heart because these look super pretty on my mom, definitely. Okay, so the last item which I have got is a sari that I got from my mom, and this is from the brand known as Tikhi Imli, and this is a very simple black sari, but it has I don't know what print is this. It is not print, it is something that has been stuck over into the sari, but it is not coming out when you try to pull it out. It's not coming, it's not sparkling. It is looking a slight bit sparkly in this, but it is not like that. And it has this tassel detailing going on the pallu, so yeah, something like this, but it looks nice. And the blouse of this is a checkered kind of blouse like this. This is the blouse that has came with it, but you could obviously wear these with black bralettes or the golden blouse that is wardrobe essential and everyone has it, so you could wear them with these as well. And this sari is very pretty. Like, I'm gonna show you how this looks like. See how pretty this looks. So this looks super pretty. I will definitely attach a video or a photo of my mom wearing these. So I guess, so those were all the items that I got. Do tell me what items you like. Is there anything that you would like to purchase? I would be mentioning the links of all the items in the description box below, so don't forget to check the description box out. And I think this was all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Till then, bye bye, take care, love.